Hey guys, today's a video on the Extreme Slime Makeover series. This time, some old and bad slime recipes will be transformed into fresh new slimes. These videos are always so satisfying to make, and hopefully it gives you some ideas to fix your old slimes. So let's get into it. So the first slime to make over is this melted down yellow slime. There was this layer of bubbly foam thing happening on top. Not exactly sure how old this slime is, but it didn't look like a good clear slime. It also smelled a little funny. Wasn't satisfying at all. First up, this yellow color needs to go. So instead, it'll change to a red slime because the idea for this makeover is to give it a rosy flower theme. So after the color got to a nicer red, it's time to add in some activator to fix the slime consistency. Then to give the slime a prettier look, let's sprinkle some pink and gold iridescent glitters on top, and also these cute heart-shaped glitters. After mixing it in, the slime is already looking quite pretty. Loved how the pink and gold glitters reflected the light. Now it's time to store it in a nice container and start finishing it off with the toppings. Firstly, it needs a few more of those heart-shaped glitters. Then for the flowery theme, adding these white flowers and red candy fillers will work perfectly. And of course guys, you know it needs more of a sparkle, so it's time to go in with some more white glitter. Here it is guys! This is the before of the melted down foamy yellow slime. And here is the makeover with a flowery theme. Loved how the hearts and glitters came together. It gives the slime specks of color from the reflection, and it's just so pretty to look at. The flowers look so good sitting against the red, and the candy fillers helped a lot to give the slime more detail. But now it's time to play with it. The next slime to make over is this weird, watery, and overactivated slime. Not sure what this slime was for, but probably a failed recipe. Maybe it was like a coffee-themed slime recipe. But anyways, first this texture needs to get fixed. So after adding in some shaving foam and lotion and mixing it together, it didn't really mix too well. If anything, it probably made it worse. So then decided to tip out some of the water out of it and continue to mix until the slime started to get softer and more like a consistent sticky texture. Luckily it ended up being a slime and the color of it was like a really light beige. So the idea for this makeover is to give it a peach theme. To do this, the color first needs to be changed to a peachy pink color. So after mixing in pink and yellow coloring together, it got to a really nice peach color, which is what this slime needs. Now to bring the slime together, it's time to put it into a container and sprinkle some pink and gold glitter on top. And finish it off with a cute peach charm. Check it out guys, here's the before. And here is the after. This makeover was actually quite simple, but it looked really cute. The peachy pink color looks so pretty. Haven't had the chance to use this color in any slimes before until now. The failed slime recipe was actually a bit of a pain to bring back to a good texture, but glad it worked out in the end. Loved how the light reflects off the glitter. But anyways, let's get squishy. So this next slime to make over also has a similar texture to the last one. Again, not sure what this recipe was, but it was super watery and the slime was super firm. Color was really bright green. Maybe it was for a food inspired slime recipe, but anyways, definitely not a good playable slime, so it needs to be transformed. So again, to fix the texture, added some shaving foam and started stirring for a long time until it started to mix all together into this super interesting jiggly slime. Never made this kind of slime before. It felt just like a jiggly water slime, but really fluffy as well. So anyways, the idea for this slime is to give it a turtle theme. So the next step to this slime is to color it a darker green. Once it ended up with a good grass green color, it's time to add in some dicer clay to give it a firmer texture. And to give it more of a grass look, added in some floral foam. It also made the slime a bit firmer and gave it a really nice texture to play with. Once the slime is ready, it's time to put it into a container and bring the turtle themed slime to life. So the first topping to put on top are these plastic beads. Then for some yellow foam beads, which gave it a nice pop of color. Then goes in some mushrooms, which looked super cute and suited the slime well. And finally, to top it off, it's time to bring in the turtles to enjoy its new home. So here it is, guys. This is the before of the failed slime recipe. And this is the after of the makeover. This makeover was super cute, and I love the way the colors came together. Super happy about saving this slime, even though it was really tough to bring back. It was really worth it seeing how this turtle themed slime turned out. The turtles and the mushrooms look really cute together, and the yellow foam beads just made the slime look way more interesting. What do you guys think of this makeover? Alright guys, that was making over my old and failed slime recipes, where slime lives get saved. Which makeover was your favorite this time? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure to subscribe and click the bell to catch more videos like this to come. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, love you! Mwah.